building sustainable control panels with Omron. To move toward decarbonization, more than 150 countries across the world have vowed to achieve carbon neutrality. This leads to an increase in regulations, such as those regarding energy use. In these countries, cooperation from organizations and companies is a must. Manufacturing companies in particular are required to reduce GHG emissions across their supply chains. Especially in-house and upstream GHG emissions are major tasks. These emissions can be reduced by using resource-saving purchased components and power-saving control panels. In response to these calls, Omron, as a supplier of control panel devices, has additionally incorporated green ideas into its existing concept to build sustainable control panels. We have added green design philosophies to our value design for panel. The common concept shared across our product specifications so as to continuously reduce control panel-related GHG emissions. We apply our modeling technologies garnered through over 10 years of CAE to optimize in-panel devices such as power supplies, which consume large amounts of power. We achieve high efficiency and low loss through soft switching circuits and by optimizing filter constants and component positions. Our unique side view display reduces power consumption. Through these and other means, we deliver power-saving control panels. We also made our devices smaller and therefore lighter, and other components can now be made smaller and lighter as well so that all purchased components that make up the control panel can be built with less resources. Omron's control panel devices are slimmer and can be mounted side by side and have unified height to effectively reduce dead space within the control panel. The easy-to-insert push and plus terminal block reduces wiring effort. To shorten lead time for control panel building, we provide ECAD libraries for all models, which helps reduce design effort. We will continue to evolve our control panel devices to innovate the building of sustainable control panels.